Okay, so this is the Domino cutter. The power button's on the back here, on and off. Up is on, down is off. There's a knob just here. This one on the right hand side controls the lift of the guide, I guess. On the other side, we've got a green lever here, which controls the width of the cut, either a wider cut or a narrower cut. So we're going to leave it back on the wider cut. And then this knob here controls the tilt of the head. I'm going to leave that at 90 degrees all the way down. When we make a cut, we've also got a depth gauge. So this is how you control the depth with the sliders here. So you can set like little preset stops and you can just jump between them really quickly. So I'm going to set out 15 and 50 because that's the two depths of cuts that we're, 20 and 50, which are the two depths of cuts that we're going to make in this piece. So to plug the power cable in, there's a port just here. So check that the things line up, put that in and then twist it in, clockwise. Okay, so our first mortise has a wall depth of 10 millimeters. So our cutter needs to be set so that it doesn't cut higher than 10 mil. On our domino machine, we've got some little step controls over on this side. So if I loosen the lever that controls the head and move this up and down, I'm going to go to the 15 millimeter step. Because we've got a 10 millimeter cutter, if we're cutting, so this is for the center of the cutter. If we're cutting at, if it's a 10 mil cutter, the center of the cutter will have 5 millimeters on either side of the center. So if I'm cutting at 15 deep, then the top of the cutter will be cutting at 10 mil from the top reference surface. A little bit confusing, but hopefully it makes sense. So then when I go to cut, the top of the cutter will be 10 mil from the surface of the wood, which will hopefully